Having family to share the good times, to share the work, to talk about values in life is just a great thing to be able to participate in. Top priority is always family. We've been fortunate to see our kids growing up with those family values as well. We have just been blessed. My name is Jake Wiebe. I'm farming here with my wife Lorraine and our family, our daughter and son-in-law and their kids, as well as our son and daughter-in-law and their kids. And I, in fact, was born on this site, and so I'm a second-generation farmer at this location. We grow broiler chickens from day-old chick stage through to market weight.
Farming to me has always been in my blood. That's been since young on that I've been tagging along with my dad to the barn and around the yard. I've been very interested in it since a young age. I'm proud of the way my family has developed this piece of land into the farm that it is today. My grandfather started it in 1952 with just a 40-acre plot, and through research and hard work developed it into a thriving chicken farm that my dad bought from him, and now I'm able to farm alongside with him.
I think there's been some stability that's come into agriculture. It's not as boom and bust as it has sometimes been. We're able to enter in, and our kids are able to enter in. They're able to make a living and at least enjoy the usual things. They could take their kids to sporting events and play hockey, play baseball. They can take vacations, and things are like any other Canadian family.
Technology has helped. We can detach from the barn at times and still be able to monitor on our smartphones, and that has helped. We can be out on the yard with the kids and still be connected. This chart shows our water consumption versus the curve.
We know that the three things the animals need in the barn is air, feed, water. Air, feed, water, it's really a simple thing, sounds very simple, but if you manage those three well, they grow well, they perform well. We used to not be able to track what we were doing in the barn as quickly as we can today. So keeping them comfortable, and that's probably one of the big significant differences from the old days. We did not know that there were those kind of tools available, and maybe they weren't even available. And just having that option is absolutely huge.
Today's consumer is increasingly more aware of the farm gate, and they are curious about what's happening inside the barn. And we need to be able to say to them, we are following some very strict guidelines. Here's the paperwork to prove it, and here's your high quality chicken that we've produced. We spend our working days together as well as our holidays. We see a lot of the same people, but that's also one of the benefits. We get to work together, and it's an enjoyable time. We get to work and make work into play. I'm very enthusiastic about the future of chicken farming in Manitoba. I know my son is up and coming behind me. He loves to tag along with me in the barn, and it's exciting to have my family along with me for this ride.
When our kids were growing up, we did a lot of things together here as well, and so they enjoyed the work. They remembered the work as the good times. They're just trying to emulate the same thing for their families, and we're just enjoying watching this cycle repeat itself. And it's been a good journey